सो गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी, माई सेल्फ आचार्य विश्वेंद्र। आज आपसे स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट और रोड्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करूँगा। लेट्स बिगिन डिस्कसिंग ऑन दैट। सो दिस इज़ अ लेवल 1 वर्कशीट ऑन रोड्स एंड स्प्रिंग comparisons. So here a road has a length L, area A, Young's modulus Y, breaking stress B. Then find first is volume of the road. So volume is area into length. Next is mass of road. So mass is density into volume, DAL. Next question is density of road, it is D. Next is equivalent spring constant of road, it is AY by L. Next is graphical variation of K equivalent with area. So here if we assume that Y and L are constant, so we can say that K equivalent is proportional to A. So that will make a graph a straight line. Next is the K equivalent is proportional to Y, so again the graph will be a straight line. However, if we see the graph between K equivalent L, it is inversely proportional, so the graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. Next, we have a question related to n roads having lengths L1, L2, Ln, area A1, A2, An, Young's modulus Y1, Y2, Yn. They are connected in series. Then first question is spring constant of road, so it is Ay by L. So correspondingly for first road you use 1, for second 2, and for nth road n. Next is equivalent spring constant in series combination, so you just add by reversing them, so you will find equivalent spring constant in series. Whereas in case of parallel combination they are added like this, k1 plus k2 plus 1 up to kn. Then we need to find equivalent Young's modulus in series. So equating the k equivalent both sides, and if we take L equivalent is equal to n times L, then we have this relation for Y equivalent, which is the harmonic mean of individual roads. Next is equivalent spring constant in parallel combination. So if we take A equivalent is equal to Na, then we have Y equivalent as Y1 plus Y2 plus Yn up to n. In the next question we need to find the equivalent spring constant in the following problems. The first is we have two roads, same length area, Young's modulus different, they are in parallel combination, and we assume that the equivalent road has a area 2A. So comparing on that basis, we have Y equivalent as 3Y by 2. Next is we have a series combination of roads, and the equivalent road is assumed to be of length 2L. Then under that condition, the equivalent Young's modulus comes out to be 4 by 3Y. In the next question, there are two wires in parallel and one is free. So free wire makes no contribution to that. So Y equivalent is equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So as you see, this is a very basic worksheet on roads and spring comparisons. It includes all the basic facts, concepts and terms related to the roads, so that you can prepare your physics for JEE and JEE Main and NEET in an optimal way, optimizing your time and energy.